Abasolwa ababili bangamaphoyisa oThokozane Mchunu benonqobile witness Msimele. Bobabili basebenza kuphiko lwe-Durban Tactical Response Team. Umsolwa wesithathu yilungu lomphakathi nguSiboniso Percival Khanyile. Abasolwa ababoshwe eThekwini ithimba labaseshi base-Germiston Serious Corruption Investigations Unit. Basolwa ngamacala okweba imali kaPoyinandi UIF we-COVID-19.
2 SAPS officials were amongst the 3 people that appeared today in the Durban Specialized Commercial Crimes Court. They appeared on charges of theft, fraud and money laundering amounting to 692,000 rand. The matter relates to UIF money that was allegedly fraudulently paid into the account of accused number 1, Thokozane Mchunu. The accused were remanded into custody till the 31st of August 2020 for a bail application.
Abophiko lwama-IiHAWKS bathi kungenzeka bethweswe angeziwe amacala. Kulindeleke bafake isicelo sebheyili ngomsombuluko. Thulani Msimanga, SABC News, eThekwini.